Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you what it looks like to use custom fields on a credit memo. First step, we should make sure we can get to custom fields. To get there, you'll click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner. Under the header for list, you're going to go to custom field. I have a custom field named customer PO, and then you can see a checkbox under credit memo that tells us that this is going to show up on the credit memo on our screen. The printer next to it means that it's going to show up when we send that to our client. Let's go ahead and go to a credit memo so we can see what it looks like. I'm going to click on the plus new in the upper left-hand corner. Under the customers column, I'm going to select credit memo. And it shows up right here. So that's pretty fantastic. Let me just go to an old credit memo. I only have one. I apparently don't write a lot of credit memos. I'll put in a PO number. Let me save it. Save. And then do a print or preview so we can see what this looks like. When we send this to our client, they're going to see their information here. So their local charity. And then the customer PO number is going to be whatever their PO number is. In my ever so creative example, the PO number is testing 123. I hope this has been helpful. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to leave them below. Thanks.